Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French onion soup. First, thinly slice 3 to 4 large yellow onions. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a heavy-bottomed pot, then add your sliced onions. Cook them slowly over medium-low heat for 30 to 45 minutes, stirring often. This patient caramelization is key, transforming the onions into a sweet, golden base for your soup. Once your onions are beautifully caramelized, it's time to build more flavor. Pour in 1/2 cup of dry white wine or sherry to deglaze the pot. Make sure to scrape up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. They hold so much flavor. Next, add 6 cups of high-quality beef broth and a single bay leaf. This combination will create a rich, aromatic foundation for your soup. Now bring your soup to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together. This simmering time is crucial for depth. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Remember to remove the bay leaf before you move on to the final, exciting step. For the grand finale, ladle the hot soup into oven-safe bowls. Top each with a slice of toasted baguette or crusty bread, then generously cover with grated Gruyere or Swiss cheese. For more great cooking tips and other deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite. Broil for a few minutes until the cheese is bubbly, melted, and beautifully golden brown. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade French onion soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.